It's Sandski back here with another video. And, I'm sorry for the lack of videos I've been posting with school coming back and then some family things. It's been a little difficult. But I want to go over Friday and the trend day that we had. As most of you know, we had a massive trend day. But, through our Discord and through Twitter, I've been seeing a lot of mixed, reviews, whether they had a green day or a red day, and it really seems split 50-50. So I kind of want to go over real quick how to diagnose a trend day, what to look for, and then, the one little trade that I ended up taking and I sold for a small profit. Okay, so as we get into it, Friday we actually opened down and we pushed right around within 20 cents of our pre-market low level. But right here, we get our low of the day is right around 477, which if you notice, it's kind of a cycle level. It's a whole level where buyers are normally going to step up and stop the price action down. So this is our low a day, and once we form this low, we break right back down low, about 15 minutes later, but we form a double bottom. So once we break above this VWAP right here, we are not going below VWAP for the rest of the day, as I'll get into in a second. But I started off, just watching this, not really into it because I don't really like to trade the chop in the morning, the first 30 minutes. But you can kind of see we start to form a small trend line going up. So if you mark this out on your chart, you can see we're starting to make lower highs, but we're forming a trend line. So once we break above this trend line right here that I have, and we retest the trend line, holding our 13 EMA, which is in the red, and the blue is the 9 EMA, we hold this and we continue our upwards trend. And this right here is when if I was online, unfortunately I was at work, but if I was looking at this right here, I would have taken this trade right here and looked to sell right around here. But unfortunately, I missed it due to work and class. So the next time that I had a chance to hop on was right around here. So I'm watching, and what I'm watching after this is how we hold and reject off the EMAs. As you can say, we're holding both EMAs, and right here is when we start to cross below both of them and dip. So right now I'm kind of just watching this chop, seeing how we go back up and right back below underneath it. So right here is the turning point. So see, we get above both our 13 and our 9 EMA, and right here, here's pre-market high. We go to reject it, break through once, we reject, and then we break through, and then we only retest it right here. So once we claim this, I'm still waiting to see how our EMAs go. And right here, here's where I took my trade. So we're well above the 13, we're holding above the 9, we pull back into the 9 and the 13 EMA, and I take my contracts here, and then I don't sell all the way up until here when we retest the 9. And the only reason I sold is because I was driving, and it's never a good idea to trade and drive, stay off your phone, worry about what you're doing. But I sold mine right here. I wish I could have held for a little bit longer, but this was the trade that I was comfortable with, and due to my circumstances, that's when I got out. But the thing you want to look for on trend days is pullbacks. Pullbacks are the thing that are going to keep you in a trade and help you exit a trade. So you can use key levels like this as a pullback. And like I said, I like to use the EMAs. The EMAs on trend days are 99% of the time in your favor. So that one time they do pull back, and if they don't break the trend, it is a very good plausible spot to enter, because market's pulling back, it's giving everyone a chance to enter, and then it's going to continue going on its way. And if you look, that's exactly what we did. We pulled back, which here is where I exited. We kept going. Another pullback, and we kept going. And then a third little one right here. And then towards the end of the day, once we finally break below our EMAs, we just chop around, slicing in and out of the EMAs as we exit the day. But that's how you diagnose trend days. Like I said in a previous video, you don't really see the trend day until about the first really 2 to 3 hours of the day. So it's all about having patience and execution. But that was my analysis of Friday. So if you guys have any questions about, the setup or what else I look for, feel free to let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.